What's going on, YouTube? We back, man. Another video coming to give y'all an update of what's going on here lately, man. I know I ain't been dropping the content on the old school because I kind of been busy with other stuff, man, and just, really not a lot of stuff going on there right now. I actually got a few mechanical things I need to do to it. We're gonna do the valve covers soon, and the intake, I think I'm gonna have one of my buddies do it at his shop because I just never have time, from being a technician and having to work all day on customers' cars and things of that nature. So we definitely gonna keep working on that. But I came to let y'all know, man, that the DTS is gone. It's crazy that I bought that car on the 23rd of last month. It's gone, not even 30 days later, but I'm gonna tell you why it's gone. So, man, I met a young kid. He's actually one of my son's friends, huge Cadillac guy like me. So he'd been saving his money. He wanted a Cadillac for his first car. So I went ahead, and his mom reached out to me and asked, was it a great car, and I said yes, so they came over, looked at it, and we made a deal on the car. So he's enjoying that car, and I'm glad that, we put another young kid in the Cadillac game. So hopefully he end up hooked like me and stays along with the Cadillacs, because I think all I'm gonna drive for the rest of my life is either gonna be a Cadillac, an old school Cadillac, maybe another Chevy or a GMC truck. Man, we're gonna keep it in the GM family, period. So anyway, we're just here to show y'all, man, we grabbed another car and I spent a lot of money on this one. And yes, I paid cash for this car. So I know there's gonna be somebody probably watching like, whatever, I paid cash for it. So I'm gonna show y'all what we grabbed. And it's really what I wanted this entire time. So the money I made from that, plus a little other money I've been saving from working, just putting the time in, I was able to purchase this one, just cut them a check and move on. So let me show y'all. So we actually grabbed a CT6, man. Crazy blessed to have one of these things. Man, I wanted one of these things for so long, but they were kind of priced really high. And when this one came into the shop on a trade, I knew who owned it, and I just had to have it. So I went ahead and grabbed it. It's not, what I really wanted. So I really would have liked all-wheel drive, but it's got the motor I wanted. It's got the 3.6. It's not the 3.0 twin turbo. I didn't want a 3.0 twin turbo because I don't like working on 3.0 twin turbos. They're not bad. They're just a nightmare to work on. So, man, this thing is clean. It's got 60,000 miles on it. Just super clean. Like the seats, got the mats in it already. I got those from my guy. He gave them to me. He had them stashed away. I was like, bro, you got CT6 mats? He's like, yep. I love the interior. I don't know if they call this Auburn or what they call it, but interior is nice. Everything is just, this car is all the way there, man. And I think this one is gonna be one I just hold on to, like I said. So, and the crazy part about it is this car is so nice. I don't want to daily drive it, being a technician. I don't want to get it all nasty, man, from, being in and out of the shop, messing with stuff all day. But, man, this is it. We got the CT6. Shit, got the ASC book, trying to get my diesel stuff done. I got to add that to my repertoire. Because for some reason, Cadillac decided to put a diesel in an Escalade for like 1.5 years, which was a dumb idea. So we got to have that. But y'all see it, we got the 20s. Tires are brand new too, man. It's crazy, brand new tires. I'm debating if I should powder coat the wheels black. I think I'm going to. Just powder coat the wheels black. We're gonna change all the emblems out to black. But I've been trying to find the monochromes. Can't find, they didn't make monochromes for a CT6, so definitely gotta get that done. And then, I don't know if we're gonna go darker with the tint. I may tint the whole windshield because, once again, I don't like people looking at me while I'm driving. So we may go ahead and tint the whole windshield. Y'all let me know what y'all think. This one is definitely not going anywhere. Definitely not going nowhere. Because like I said, this car is the biggest cash purchase I've ever paid for a car in my entire life. I've never paid more money. I put more money into a car, but as far as cash up front, just, you know, writing your check, this is the most I've ever spent on one, which actually wasn't that bad because I got a discount on it. So, and that caused a lot of stirs. But anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think. CT6, and we got the big Brougham, of course. You know, it's still here. It ain't going nowhere either. And we just still got a few things to do to it. We still got to get all the stripping done on these doors. I can't do the stripping on this because they don't make it. So needless to say, there's the Escalade coming back. So we got 1, 2, 3 Cadillacs right now. She trying to get in the garage. She might get in there. And of course, you know, I had to rearrange everything so we could fit everything. There it is, man, the CT6 we got for the channel and my babies. But y'all let me know what y'all think of the CT6 staying in the fleet, the Brougham in the fleet, got the Escalade in the fleet. We need to add, like, I need a truck. So I may try to find one of those for cheap. We got my son's Camaro, we gotta get a Challenger. We got a few more things we gotta do. Few more cars to add to the fleet, but other than that, man, we almost done with that. I gotta finish this car out before I start on my coupe. I'm on the hunt for another coupe. So once I get another coupe, I found a coupe and I want it to be this exact same color. This yeah, I will. This dark and a little metallic color. I want a coupe the same exact as this. So yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for checking in for a quick little video showing y'all the CT6. The Brougham is still here, the Escalade still here, the Camaro still here. We just gotta, like I said, keep grinding, keep working. I'm gonna just keep doing it every day. Put my foot on the pedal at work, flagging the hours, making the money so I can buy the stuff to bring y'all the content. So anyway, man, I appreciate y'all for checking in, and we're gonna catch y'all in the next video.